What's going on? This is Dylan for another episode of Craft Chocolate TV. And today we are going to talk about chocolate from bean to bar. And as you can maybe tell, I've already started eating it because this is one of the most excited I've been about a batch of chocolate in a while. It is a Hawaiian chocolate. The cacao is from a place in central Oahu. 10 acres that just started fruiting this year, early last year, and it's giving us a decent amount of cacao. We're so stoked to be working with this stuff. Now we're going to analyze the beans and then we're going to analyze the chocolate and walk through our process. And so to me, this is, once again, all of this stuff is my opinion, but this is some of the better cacao we've received as far as showcasing what cacao and chocolate can be. They're getting, out of the 18 ferments they've done so far, and this is ferment number 17, they're getting some really fruity but yet balanced cacao. And so when I'm saying that, when I eat the beans, I'm getting flavors that are like apricots and cherries, and I am translating that into the chocolate so that when I eat the chocolate, not only am I getting base chocolate and balance, I'm getting apricots and cherries. And so you can see that the beans right away, they're breaking and opening really easily. Not all of them, but most of them. And that, what I'm going to do is mix a few of them together and try and get a balanced flavor profile, because if you just break up one, you're not really getting the true picture, although these almost all taste the same. And it's got these beautiful fruit notes. And I'm so excited that this cacao farm is producing this kind of quality, because it's showcasing what we want to see the future of our industry looking like. We don't want chocolate to just taste like every Lindt bar, every Nestle bar, every Ghirardelli bar. Not bashing or saying anything wrong about that. It's just not the type of industry craft chocolate is. We are celebrating the changes in the ferments season to season. It's very difficult to make chocolate taste the same year after year, especially when you're working with variables like weather and the climate and the terroir and the wild yeast and bacteria changing season to season. So a lot of props to the big guys for being able to do that. It's just not what our industry of craft chocolate is doing and expressing. So as I eat this, I'm getting fruit bomb. I'm getting like these like black cherry notes, and there's nothing offensive about it. That usually, oftentimes, what accompanies fruit is astringencies, tannins, sometimes bitterness. Doesn't have any of that. You still get that base chocolate note. So when I ate a bunch of this and started to roast, I roasted lightly for a long time. And in our roaster, when I say lightly, I'm talking, 240 degrees Fahrenheit for somewhere around 32 minutes. And that seemed to work well in this roaster. Don't get hung up on the numbers. You got to do your own roasts in order to know, because if you roast in an oven, it's different. If you roast in a different roaster, you're going to end up with a different result. It's just the way that it works. So you got to roast according to what you taste. Now, it even breaks down to how quickly the beans will cool. So to me, I enhance the flavors through roasting because it brings out some of the more base chocolate notes, but I kept the fruit notes that I really liked. And so that's why I'm so excited about this. And so you can see I already ate one big piece of this, but I still kept the flavors from here. And when I eat this, it's definitely chocolate, but wow, what a beautiful black cherry apricot based chocolate I'm getting from this. So I'm really happy with it, as you can tell. And the fact that it's from central Oahu, which is the island that I'm born and raised on, all the better. So this is the future of chocolate. This is from bean all the way to bar. Thank you for watching. I hope you can try some of this. We're going to probably have it available sometime mid to late October, going into November and December. We're even going to try and get this over to Europe so people can taste it. We're keeping it the same price as all the other Hawaiian bars. So cheers, happy chocolate making. I'll see you next time.